Welcome back to another video. To start with, we have our island background, as I want to incorporate some bad storms to blend in with the sky just to make it a bit more darker to the image. Next, I want to add some music notes going across the landscape, which obviously helps with the theme of this music within this piece. Render of our first beatboxer and bring them into the page. And we'll do the same for our second beatboxer, and for both of these renders I adjust the brightness and contrast, additionally with the hue and saturations on both so they blend in with the image, so the lighting of the renders both blend in nicely. I also put the rock in front of the beatboxer to the right, just to give it a bit more depth to the image. I then add some particles and some smoke, furthering the realism to the image. Then I add the title of this piece. Watermark, and additionally as well as my own. And lastly, I'll add some colour correction transforming the image so you'll see the final product. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.